Hey, where are you right now?
I'm at home.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting on the sofa and drinking tea.
Is anyone else at home?
Yes, my sister is here too.
Where is she?
She's in the kitchen cooking dinner.
What is she cooking?
She's making chicken curry and rice.
That sounds delicious. Are you helping her?
Not yet, but I will help her later.
Where's your mum today?
She's in the garden watering the plants.
Does she like gardening?
Yes, she loves taking care of flowers.
What about your dad?
He's reading a newspaper in the living room.
Does he read every day?
Yes, he reads every morning and evening.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a cat named Coco.
Where is Coco right now?
She's sleeping on my bed.
Is your house big or small?
It's not very big, but it's comfortable.
How many rooms do you have?
We have 5 rooms, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room.
Which room do you like most?
I like my bedroom the most
Why do you like it?
because it's quiet and full of my favorite books.
Do you watch TV in your room?
No, the TV is in the living room.
What do you usually watch?
I like watching comedy shows and movies.
Do you cook often at home?
Sometimes when my mum is busy.
What do you usually cook?
I can make omelettes, noodles, and sandwiches.
Do you keep your room clean?
Yes, I try to clean it every weekend.
Who does the laundry in your house?
My mum and I do it together.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, it's small, but very nice in the evening.
What do you do there?
I sit there with tea and listen to music.
Do you like staying at home?
Yes, home makes me feel relaxed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 o'clock at night.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read a few pages of a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like stories about travel and friendship.
Do you invite friends to your home?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
What do you do together?
We watch movies, eat snacks, and talk a lot.
Sounds fun. Do your parents like your friends?
Yes, they are always kind to them.
Do you ever get bored at home?
Not really, there's always something to do.
What are you going to do after dinner today?
I'll probably help my sister wash the dishes and then relax.
That's nice. Maybe I'll come visit tomorrow.
Sure. Come in the afternoon, we'll have tea together.